Hello children, in this video we are going to learn triangle chapter exercise 2.2 10th sum. This is the last sum in this exercise. We'll see the question first. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Here they are given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? A four-sided closed figure is called as a quadrilateral. So first we'll draw the diagram. Then what we want to prove here, ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means in the quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides are parallel. In the quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides are parallel, we want to prove here. While drawing the diagram only, I will draw that quadrilateral in the shape of trapezium because we want to prove ABCD is a trapezium. So A, B, this is C and D. ABCD is a trapezium. Sorry, ABCD is a quadrilateral. They are given. ABCD intersect each other. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O. Diagonals will intersect at a point O. They are given here. Diagonals of a quadrilateral will intersect at the point O. Like this it will come. Now, here, what they given we will write first. What they given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. And they given this result. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO they given. In the last ninth sum, we got the result as AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. To get this result, we exchanged these two. Means CO we transferred here, BO we transferred here. So just I can write that result as we got in the ninth sum. So I can write that as AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. What they given, no, that one, this CO and BO I exchanged. CO I written here, BO I written here. We can write like this, no problem. This is equation 1 you take. Here what we want to prove? To prove ABCD is a trapezium we want to prove. Means that is, in this diagram AB is parallel to CD. If you prove, means it is understood that ABCD is a trapezium. So AB is parallel to CD we want to prove. If you prove this, we will get the result. Next, we have to do one construction here. Construction is, we have to draw one line EO parallel to AB. EO and AB are parallel lines we have to take here. So for that, after constructing, I will write that. Draw EO parallel to AB. Now you see EO is parallel to AB. This EO is there in the triangle ADB. DB or DAB we can take, no? So in triangle, this is a proof. Which triangle we have to consider? ABD. In triangle ABD. Here EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB means we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. How we will apply? From down to up we will apply. AE by ED we will apply here. AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. BO by OD we can write it. This one you take as a equation 2. How we written that? By BPT. Now you observe the equation 1 and 2. BO, DO is there. Here BO, OD is there. DO and OD are same only. The things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. From 1 and 2, what we can write it? These two. AO by CO is equal to AE by ED we can write, no? These two I have written. AO by CO equal to AE by ED. Now you observe the diagram and see this ratio. AO, CO. This triangle you just observe it. ADC. Triangle ADC. This triangle you observe. In this triangle, what first result we got? AO by CO is equal to AE by ED we got. See, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we know that any line dividing the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio means that line will be parallel to the third side by converse of Thales theorem. So ADC, in triangle ADC, AE is equal to AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. We have this result. So what we can write here? EO is parallel to DC, we can write, no? Therefore, EO is parallel to DC by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now you see EO equal to EO is parallel to DC we got. And already we know that what the construction we did here. Construction is EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB we have by construction. Now you observe this. EO is parallel to DC, EO is parallel to AB also. Means DC is parallel to AB, no? EO is parallel to DC also, EO is parallel to AB means DC is parallel to AB, or AB is parallel to DC or CD we can write. If AB is parallel to CD, it is understood that ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means what? In a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel means this ABCD is a trapezium. So AB is parallel to CD means it is understood that ABCD is the trapezium. Trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. So this is also very important question for the 3 marks. Please practice this, and if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next video, we will study similarity criteria. Thank you.